In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to skip missions in Dragon Block C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Dragon Block C and you would like to skip to certain missions, you will be able to do so with a specific command. Keep in mind that you might require a specific OP privilege, so if you are playing in a world without cheats, you might not be able to use these commands. So basically, all that you have to do is open chat and then type this specific command that I'm about to tell you. Type /JRMCM space main and then the number of the mission that you would like to skip to. There are various numbers to choose from. In this video, I will not be able to go through all of them, but to keep it short, this is all you have to do to change missions. So let's say, for example, you want to go to the third mission in order. Just type /JRMCM and then space main space 3. You will immediately start the next mission in order, and you will be able to use these numbers to change mission over and over again. So if you are ever stuck in a specific mission that you don't appreciate, you can just go ahead and type a number to skip that mission altogether. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish. It should work on single player, multiplayer, and like I said, you should be able to send it in chat as long as cheats are enabled in your world. If it tells you that you cannot use commands in a specific world, then try changing the privileges or enabling cheats, and you should be able to get it working immediately after. This is going to work for all versions of Dragon Block C, and all that you have to do is open chat and type JRMCM space main space and then the specific mission that you would like to skip to. I'm not sure if you can use this to go back to previous missions, but for the most part, this is how you will be able to skip between them. I hope I was able to help you on how to skip missions in Dragon Block C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!